everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2025 Hyundai i20 showcases a refreshed design that's both sporty and sophisticated. Up front, it features a striking grille with a bold parametric pattern, flanked by sharp LED headlights and daytime running lights. The sleek body lines and aerodynamic profile give it a dynamic presence, while the redesigned rear with stylish LED taillights and a subtle spoiler adds a nice spoiler-added dynamic touch. With a range of vibrant color options and newly designed alloy wheels, the i20 looks more premium than ever. Under the hood, the i20 offers a choice of efficient powertrains to suit different needs. The base model comes equipped with a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine that's perfect for city commutes, while the more powerful 1.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers zippy performance for those who crave a little more excitement. For eco-conscious buyers, Hyundai offers a mild hybrid option, pairing the turbo engine with an integrated 48-volt system to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The 2025 i20 also features a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission or a precise 6-speed manual gearbox, catering to different driving preferences. When it comes to driving dynamics, the i20 strikes an impressive balance between comfort and agility. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and uneven roads with ease, making it ideal for both city streets and longer journeys. The steering is responsive, giving the driver a confident feel behind the wheel. While the improved chassis adds to its stability and composure, the turbocharged engine variants provide a lively and engaging drive, making the i20 more fun than you'd expect from a compact car. Step inside and you're greeted with a cabin that feels remarkably upscale for its segment. The 2025 Hyundai i20 boasts a minimalist yet modern interior design, featuring high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces. The dashboard is dominated by a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's responsive and user-friendly, offering an incompatible world building. Integrity, principles, conscious responsibility, healthy moral dialogue, and Hyundai's BlueLink connected car technology. The fully digital instrument cluster enhances the high-tech vibe, providing clear and customizable information. Other standout features include wireless charging, a premium Bose sound system, and ambient lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. Passenger comfort is a top priority in the i20, with supportive seats that offer ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. Despite its compact size, the i20 is surprisingly practical, offering a generous boot space for weekend getaways or daily errands. Foldable rear seats further increase its versatility, making it an excellent choice for small families or young professionals. Safety is another area where the 2025 Hyundai i20 excels. It comes equipped with Hyundai SmartSense, a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also make driving more convenient, particularly in long trips or in heavy traffic. As we wrap up, the 2025 Hyundai i20 is a testament to Hyundai's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction. With its bold design, efficient powertrains, advanced technology, and strong safety credentials, the i20 is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a well-rounded compact car. Whether you're navigating urban traffic, embarking on a weekend adventure, or simply enjoying the daily drive, the i20 is ready to deliver. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest cars. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Hyundai i20. Does it check all the boxes for your next car? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.